Third question. Abdul travels 300 km by train and 200 km by taxi. It takes him 5 hours 30 minutes. But if he travels 260 km by train and 240 km by taxi, he takes 6 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and that of the taxi. Once again, Abdul travels 300 km by train and 200 km by taxi. It takes him 5 hours 30 minutes. But if he travels 260 km by train and 240 km by taxi, he takes 6 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and that of the taxi. So, in this particular question, there are 3 things. One is distance. Distance given, distance travelled in by train and by taxi. Next is given time taken. Time taken. Question is find the speed of the train and the taxi. So speed. So these are the 3 things we are using here: distance, time, speed. Okay. And here the relation is given in terms of time. How the question? If a man travels some distance by train and the remaining distance by taxi, he takes 5 hours 30 minutes for the total journey. So, relation is given in terms of time. For the total journey, he will take this much time. So, relation is given in terms of time. So, you know there is a formula relating these 3 terms: distance, time and speed. What is the formula? Distance is equal to speed into time, or speed is equal to distance by time, or time is equal to distance by speed. Anything we can use, but here relation is given in terms of time, so we have to use the formula time is equal to distance by speed. Okay? And what is the question? Find the speed of the train and that of the taxi. So let us take speed of train x and speed of taxi y. What is the unit of speed? Unit of speed, generally we are telling kilometer per hour. So we can take speed of train as x kilometer per hour and taxi y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now what happened? First case, what happened? Abdul is traveling 300 km by train. So he is traveling from here to here 300 km by train and 200 km by taxi. 200 by taxi. So he reached here. Time required is 5 hour 30 minutes. So 5 hour 30 minutes. What is meant by 30 minutes? This is in hours, but this is in minutes. How to convert 30 minutes into hours? How to convert? Divide with 60. For converting minutes into hours, divide with 60. So 30 by 60 is what? Half an hour. So he took total 5.5 hours. Understood? Second case is what? But if he travels 260, so he is going up to here only. 260 by train and 240 by taxi. 240 by taxi. Then what happened? He takes 6 minutes longer. 6 minutes longer. What is meant by 6 minutes longer? More time he took. 6 minutes longer means more time he took. So first what happened? He took only 5 hours 30 minutes. Now 6 minutes longer means 5 hours 36 minutes. We can't keep hour and minute, so you have to convert. So 5 hours 36 you convert into hours. 36 by 60. 36 and 60 we can cut with 12. 12 3s 36. 12 5s 60. 3 by 5. So what is the time? 5 and 3 by 5. Understood this point? First case 300 km by train and remaining taxi. Second case only 260 by train and the remaining taxi. So naturally here more time we will take. Correct? We are traveling less time in or less distance in train means it will take more time. Now we have to form the equation. What is the equation I told? How to form I told? Time formula we have to apply. Time is equal to distance by speed. Now first case you see 300 by train. So 300 distance by speed of the train is x. 300 by x plus up to here over 200 by y is equal to 5 and half. What is meant by 5 and half? Convert into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So what is the first equation? 300 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 11 by 2. Second, only 260 by train. So 260 distance by speed plus next distance 240 by speed is equal to 5 and 3 by 5. Understood how we got? Here you have to see. 5 3 by 5 convert into improper. 5 5s 25. 25 plus 3 28 by 5. This is equation 2. This type of question you already did in elimination method. When you get this type of question, what to do? Let 1 by x is equal to some other variable u and 1 by y is equal to some other variable v. This you already did. So many questions you did. So what is first equation tell? 300u plus 200v is equal to 11 by 2 and second equation is 260u plus 240v is equal to 28 by 5. So these are our third and fourth equation. Now you have to eliminate 3 and 4. Now no we're concerned with 1 and 2. You have to solve with only 3 and 4. How to solve? Make coefficient equal. Which one you want? V you make equal. Here V coefficient is 200. Here V coefficient is 240. In both, 110 is common. Okay? 110 is common. It is a multiple of 10. It is a multiple of 10. Correct. Now what is the remaining number? 20 and 24. Take the LCM. 2, 10, 12, 2, 5, 6 over. So 2 into 5, 10, 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 10. Here itself 120 and one more 0. Understood? 120 and then one more 0. Which by one more 0? It is already a multiple of 10. So we have to make 200 into 1200 and 240 is also into 1200. So for making that, multiply 3 with 200 into 1200 means multiply with 6. Okay. Then 4 multiply with, how to make 240 into 1200? Multiply with 5. Okay, so 3 into 6, 300 into 6, 1800 U plus 1200 V is equal to 11 by 2. 11 by 2 into 6, it is cut 3, so it is 30. Then 4 into 5, 4, 260 into 5, 1300 U plus 1200 V is equal to 28 by 5 into 5 is 28. Solve both. This will cancel. 1800 U minus 1300 is 500 U is equal to 33 minus 28 is 5, implies U is equal to 5 by 500, 1 by 100. So U we got 1 by 100. Now by using U, you have to find what? V. For that, substitute that U in third equation. So third equation become 300 into 1 by 100 plus 200V is equal to 11 by 2. U is equal to 1 by 100, substituting in 3. So 3 into 1 by 100 we can cut. We will get 3 plus 200V is equal to 11 by 2. So 200V is 11 by 2 minus 3. 2 LCM 11 minus 6. So 200V is equal to 11 minus 6 is 5 by 2. So V is equal to 5 divided by 2 into 200. 5 and 200 cancel 4. So 1 by 2 into 40, 1 by 80. Understood the step? Here in third equation we substituted the value of U 1 by 100. 300 and 1 by 100 cancel 3. 3 plus 200V is 11 by 2. So 200V is 11 by 2 minus 3. Here we applied LCM. So 2 LCM 11 minus 2 into 3 6. So 5 by 2. So V is equal to this 200 will come down. 5 and 200 cancel 40. So 1 by 2 into 40, 1 by 80. Okay. But we don't want U and V. We want X and Y. So for that you have to substitute here. But 1 by X is equal to U. So 1 by X is equal to U. U is what? 1 by 100 implies X is equal to 100. 1 by Y is equal to V. V is 1 by 80 implies Y is equal to 8. Okay. Then you write the final answer. Therefore, speed of train is equal to 100 km per hour and speed of taxi is equal to 80 km per hour. So, you draw like this, then it is easy. Okay. Draw the picture like this, then form the equation in this particular case. So, in this question, there are three important terms: distance, time and speed. The formula connecting that three terms, distance is equal to speed into time or time is equal to distance by speed. Here the relation is given in terms of time, so that is why we took this formula. So, after drawing the picture like this, we will come to the conclusion that this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Then solve both by taking 1 by X and 1 by Y.